Bonjour, greetings and salutations YouTube, itsHadrian here. Welcome to a new video. How's everyone doing today? Hope you guys are all doing fantastic. Today we are in, where are we? I don't even know what city we're exactly in, but we are in Orange County, and there are two OC Goodwill boutiques here in Orange County, and we're at the second one. So I don't think I've brought you guys here at all this entire year, so I'm super excited to take you guys in there with me. It is not the largest store. It's verging on one of the smallest stores that I go to. But they get some really cool stuff, and I can't wait to share with you guys the items that are in there. But if you guys love thrifting, you love thrift hauls, vlogs, do not forget to subscribe, hit the little bell button for notifications, add me on Instagram. itsHadrian, just like it's spelled here, and check out my shop at itsHadrian.com to see what I have for sale from my thrifting adventures. But without further ado, let's head into the store. I'm really excited, and hope you guys are too. Let's go. Alright guys, here we are at the OC Goodwill Boutique. Let's go inside. What is that? Zenith? And this kind of looks like an Alexander Wang or something. It's a Forever 21. It's like a fake Michael Kors. 9 West. This one's a Target bag, but I actually like the shape and silhouette of that. Genesee. Louis Vuitton-ish looking. I think this is a Junior Drake. Yep, $14.99. This is a maybe. This is kind of nice. Wait, no, there's pen marks all over it. Just kidding. Tommy Hilfiger, Steve Madden. We got a fake Prada. Donna Buckman, Kenneth Cole. Alright you guys, I found a couple things. Found this fun Moximo hat. Might get that for my sister. This little Coach bag. There's this one too, which is super fun. I forgot what it is. Yeah, 3 people. Especially in the crossbody, but it's super duper soft and super cute. There's this Fossil Coach. I don't know about this one. It has like a color transfer thing, but we'll think about it. There's this Juicy Couture, and then this super cute dog with sport tech. I also found one more Coach that was hanging here, but it's pretty dirty, so I think we're not going to get this one for sure. Alright you guys, let's check out the furniture. See what they have. What is this? This like glass side table-y thing is actually very interesting. It is $10. Oh my gosh, why do I kind of like it? Let's move the stuff off of it so you guys can get a better look. But the design of it is actually pretty interesting. I thought it was like one of those things that kind of look like a stretcher. Like that you lay down on like a bunk bed, or not bunk bed, but like a bed thing. Look at that, that is interesting. Do you think it's like a coffee table? Is it too high to be a coffee table? Oh my gosh, how cute is this like fake lounge? This is gorgeous. It's like a panther. I feel like I've seen something like this from like Williams Sonoma or something, like Williams Sonoma home. Stop, it is $7.99. Sold. It's in like really great condition. You guys, this is so fabulous. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It's stuck on my finger. Okay. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? You guys, I'm like literally screaming on the inside. Like I'm just like jumping up and down with a joy. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. That was such a cool find. I'm so excited I went here. I'm about to be even more dead. I just found this blue coral from Z Gallery. $10. These are candlestick holders. I think I need these too. Okay, I'm like scouring these shelves just in case. This turtle's kind of cool. Just in case I miss anything. These butterfly bookends are interesting too. but I don't want to miss anything really exciting. I don't know what that's for. Is that for like flower buds? The stand is interesting. I am looking for another like plate stand, but that's not the one for sure. Oh my gosh, this little robot thing is so cute. It's like the Prada robot. This Himalayan sea salt lamp is pretty impressive, and it weighs a ton. Bunny basket is so cute. It's from Kohl's. Ooh, a T-Rex salt and pepper shaker. 99 cents. Alright, I'm now in the dinnerware section. Let's see what they have. I'm already so excited with the stuff that I found, so anything else is just gonna be kind of icing on the cake at this point. Hold on, I need to like fix this so it doesn't fall. How cute, the butterflies. Oh, granola, Black Hawk Marketing LLC. This is for like a, usually, yeah, orchid. Comes in those. Ooh, hold on, wait. Let me look at. Let's see if they have any Pottery Barn places or Food Network plates. Seahorse. $1.99. Almost looks like a pumpkin, right? Okay. There's like so many things to look at. I'm like, oh, stop it. Oh my gosh, can it be a lettuce bowl? Oh my gosh. Please don't have anything wrong with you so I can buy it. Is that a chip? Oh, there are numerous chips. Man, this is so gorgeous. So they have these plates, Williams Sonoma. There's only 3 of them though, so. And they're not like anything that would really match what I currently have. So I'm gonna hold off on those. Unless I do find 8, then I might buy them because I love a good set. You guys, check it out. I just found an E Anthropology mug. So excited. $1.99. Let's see if we can find any other Anthropology pieces. I'm like over the moon right now. Oh my gosh, is that a Dilbert mug? Stop. Oh my gosh, it is a Dilbert mug. Why are you Chip Dilbert? That is so cool. Oh, so sad. It's so cute though. Pioneer Woman. These are nice too. A Starbucks piece right here, but I actually have a couple of those already, so I think I'm gonna hold off, especially because they're $3.99 and it's the color, like the print is coming off. Oh, these are those like recyclable ones. Check out this blue and white thing I just found. I have no clue what it's really for. Maybe plants. It's cute though. You guys, look at this Monstera kind of like serving platter type deal. $4.99. I would get it, but I don't like that it like has like the, it just like looks a little dirty, you know what I mean? But it's really cute though. I understand like that's the finish, but it's not my aesthetic at the moment. Found this fierce panther. He's like the panther from the Jungle Book. And then this magnificent giraffe. Oh, from Living Spaces. He's cool. Alright, you guys, just got everything inside the car. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I had a blast and hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, please give the video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe, hit that little bell button for notifications. And don't forget to tune in tomorrow for the haul video. It's going to be a good one because I got some amazing stuff in the store that I can't wait to share with all of you. Don't forget to also check out the vlog. It goes up at 2 p.m. today. And I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys all later. Bye!